The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Welcome people, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I'm the kind of person who talk about everyday happenings in my life. Yes, I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Manners. Alright, now first things first, my people. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show markings and writings inside of a motor vehicle. And in the video, you can hear a person talking about those markings and writings that you can see inside of the motor vehicle. Now, you might be surprised to hear some things that the person said in this video. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
What should them children be doing? We watch. That's why you see that man do pick up school children, you know. Or you can't even write properly, what, fully seven all over my bus. You understand? Fully seven. Watch. I said that don't see a children be doing this kind of thing. It's only choppy children do this kind of thing. Watch this. Watch. A side man for rent. Watch. Study a blasted work about a side man for rent. You understand? Boy, and if Maximilian take a stand against all you understand? And catch all in here and it all some serious stump. You know all the parents go and kill me. But all they coming in people's vehicle and doing a set of shit, all they busting up seat. You understand? Watch that? Tearing up thing. Writing all over people's bus. And
well, my people, I want you to take notice of the number that you can see certain parts in the bus there, you know. Yeah, man. Some people in Jamaica would have said 6 or 6 is real. But it look like, say, wherever that video they had been recorded, that number there was some people I work with in my point of view. So I say, but still, no, my people, that's not right, you know. It's not right for no say that someone go inside a motor vehicle and mark up certain parts of your motor vehicle and do damage to certain parts of your motor vehicle. That's not right. So I say, yeah, if you listen to the video, you can hear when the person used the word bus, and you can hear when the person used the word children as well. So I say, yeah man, it's alright though, you know? It's alright. Anyways, my people, tell me what you think about that video that I just presented to you. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that had been recorded within Jamaica. I do not know when the video had been recorded. The video shows some things that happened because of a confrontation between two persons. The video also shows both of those persons who was involved in the confrontation holding objects in their hands that are considered to be weapons at the time. And in my point of view, the video clearly shows that at least one of those objects is a knife, viewers and subscribers. The video also shows several persons doing whatsoever they could to de-escalate the situation. Now, the video also shows when police officers from within the country of Jamaica arrived at the location where the confrontation happened, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, the confrontation de-escalated because the police officers arrived at the location. See, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And even though some people on social media, like myself, do not have a good understanding as to what started the confrontation, the video is still being talked about on social media. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think about the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. See? And I want you to please bear in mind that in this video you can hear persons yelling and shouting. You can also hear harsh language in this video, and this video shows two persons who was each holding a weapon and they was involved in a confrontation. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Observe.
Oi. Gotta riot! Kama ukia kanina ndo mpate kuya kukuza dong. Watu wengi anko kizo gari.
Wow. Alright, first things first, my people. I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone who did whatsoever they could to de-escalate that situation. Because in my point of view, if nobody never intervened, me I wonder what would have happened, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, yeah, so big them up, you know. Oh yeah, and you know, I wonder what those police officers did when it comes down to that situation. Yeah, so I wonder what the police them do, my people. See? Alright, you see thing about it though, viewers and subscribers, you see? I wonder if it is common knowledge to each and every adult out there that violence is not the answer. So me I say, yeah, I wonder because, you know, this is something what me know say a lot of people say. You understand? Even on TV, you will see somebody say it. You can hear it even on the radio. Violence is not the answer, my people. You see me? But the way some people behave, make me wonder if it is common knowledge to each and every adults that violence is not the answer. You see me? The amount of evidence and proof that violence is not the answer. If two persons have a disagreement, it's best them talk over their differences. And if them cannot come to agreement, then them just try to stay away from each other. See, violence is going to make things worse. Yeah, you know. Anyways, I'm not going to say much more about the situation or that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And, you know, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a piece of an entire video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that a person who you can hear talking in the entire video was trying to point out fake hygiene products, viewers and subscribers. See? Anyways, here's the piece of video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
This is an area I normally use, but they never have none. I want me actually use. Me use the active sport. So, I see this and it smells alright, but me I say, from me take up me I say, no man, this not feel like I want a real degree. You show everything like I want a real degree, but what I give away, all of my degree them have a label right there, so it cover a label. Yeah, this not have no marker, you know. This is just a cover. So, I'm not really paying no mind, a product still. But me I look on the soap bar and I say, yo, what is? I want if they smell even you see them. I go pull it. So, we can smell it if it... No, sir.
I smell if it's swag.
Yo, the one are way stronger. Me have to sniff the one are way stronger. You know, take nothing, me. From right there, so I can smell it. I'm gonna look on the actual soap, them. Yeah. That look normal and everything. Yeah, you have a curve.
You need too much soap, but
taking too much soap. You have a curve and everything, but it's a different size. Me I go for my tool and measure it.
My people, you see these knockoff things, them a get out of hand still, my people. Yeah man, the knockoff things them a get out of hand. Just to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, so when you hear someone say knockoff, it means that the person that say what's the what I'm talking about is not the original or is not the genuine thing. Then so me I say yeah, it's the copy of something that's original. Knockoff. That's the term when they use knockoff as. But listen to what me I said here, now, my people. See, this whole knockoff thing, it a get out of hand for real. No? See, me I hear about fake rice, fake cabbage, fake egg. Fake this, fake that, even engine oil, you know, my people. Engine oil, you know. Engine oil, you know. Engine oil, you know, my people. All that me I hear about, you know. Me never actually see it for myself. Somebody tell me. So me I say, but them thing ya, you know, right. Do you know something need to be done about these bag of knockoffs? Cause imagine now, you know, you be able to soap where It's not the real thing. And you know, so you're the kind of person you're supposed to use certain type of soap for your skin, or else you might break out in a rash and so forth. And then because you go buy a soap look like the one you're supposed to buy and it's not the original, then you break out in some form of hive or some pimples start come for your skin. So them things are dangerous, you understand? Anyways, my people, let me know what you think about that piece of video that I presented to you. You understand? Yeah, let me know what you think about these videos that I presented to you in this video. Until the next time, I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself, you see? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man.